Hey there, Chloe. Hello, girl. How are you? How are you? You having fun today? Huh? You having a good day today? What do you think, Chloe? Huh? That's Chloe. She's what? 20 weeks old right now. Good girl, right? Yeah, getting big.
No.
Happy birthday! What you cooking there?
Nina is blanching the pechay.
She's blanching?
For the kare-kare.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, for the kare-kare.
She know what she's doing?
Yes.
Yes, of course, I'm
Yes.
chef.
Yes,
now
of
my
course.
head
She just got promoted, huh?
Yeah.
Deputized. Deputized chef. That's good.
She's my head chef now.
So what we got here? We got some coffee.
Yeah.
We got some tissues.
And chewy. Like
Kimchi. I know. I keep getting all these dogs mixed up. So what's this? Just
You have kimchi?
is this just scraps right here? You can just pick and bite,
Yeah.
pick whatever.
Some there.
All right. Well, let's go take a peek at what else we got here. Shanghai lumpia. Good stuff. Spaghetti. Good spaghetti there. Some Parmesan. Some Coke. Nice. Birthday girl. Puppy girl. Hey, Jim. Hey, girl. Oh, look at you. Oh, you. So we have two lighter colored dogs, white, and two Rottweilers. Say hello. Hopefully they're not too bored sitting out there.
Yung isang inaanak ko.
Lapit natin konti. Oh, they are going to blow it.
So let's do it again, right?
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Eden Lara. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Ready? You guys can do it together?
Blow natin, Wen.
Make your wish. Make your wish. Make your wish.
Okay.
Birthday wishes.
Blow natin, blow.
Blow the candle. Blow.
Blow mo yung mala...
Lara, remember what I told you? Remember what I showed you, right?
Oh, blow.
Blow na.
She's confused. She's like, we just did this.
Sinaleng, tabang picture kami dito. Tatlo kami. I'll take a photo with us.
Okay. Hold on a second. Well, I guess that's what you call the birthday aftermath. The birthday aftermath. We all got done eating and it was really delicious. We'll just kind of take a sweep through here and kind of see what we have, or what we have left. There's quite a bit of food left, so here, well, let's check it out. We still have some other people coming over, so this cake should be disappearing hopefully pretty soon. Spaghetti was delicious. I did not eat this. What's this one? Korean?
Korean noodle.
I didn't eat any of that.
Why you didn't?
I don't know. Because I ate so much of that.
Oh, okay.
So, I mean, I ate a lot,
Bakit nasaan ka?
and I know everybody else did too. And there's still a lot of food left.
Kasama mo si tita mo dyan? Sige nga daw.
Punta na sila dito.
Here's one of the birthday girls. All right. Alrighty. Let's go out here in the kubo real quick. Alright, well that's about it. I'm gonna sit out here in the kubo and chill out for a little while. The birthday was for my wife, Eden. She turned 48 this past Wednesday. And little Lara, she turned 2 this past Friday. So we celebrated their birthdays today, both of them. Eden's been cooking all day today and pretty much most of the day yesterday. She was really busy. So hats off to her, man. She busted her butt to make this happen today. And I think everybody pretty much enjoyed it. The food was great. The festivities were awesome. It was nice having some people, you know, some old friends come over and enjoy the celebration with us. So all the dogs behaved, all the kids behaved, I behaved, and yeah, until next time, I hope everybody takes care, and we'll talk to you real soon. All right, later guys, bye.